hub, hear the welcome song. Gaming and a chatting, ranting all stream long. At the Slug Hub party, right where we belong. Ooh, see the sludgy scramble, cooking as he spins. Horror space survivals, played him till he wins. Watching, lurking, chatting, slimy, whiny rants. Loves the games we're playing, DBD. Don't you hear the headsets howl? Hear the slimy, sluggy growl. Logging to the trial, 4K for the win. Building, looting, crafting, watch us with a grin. Keep the streamer moving, slime is not a sin. The sluggy scramble, cooking as he spins. Horror space survivals, played him till he wins. Watching, lurking, chatting, slimy, whiny rants. Loves the games we're playing, DBD. I drink my tea with a diamond spoon, wearing silk pajamas by the light of the moon. I got 10 bidets, but still don't know which way it sprays. My closet's got a closet just for my berets. I'm too fancy for my fancy. I eat creme brulee while I'm dancing. Wipe my tears with imported lace. Even my dog wears satin on his face. I floss with gold, got pearls in my toast. Even my mirror tells me you're the most. I sip water aged for 100 years and tip my waiter with chandelier tears. I'm too fancy for my pansy. I use truffle oil as my hand cream, classy. Wrote a check just to buy some air. Signed account swagula extraordinaire.
Darling, I don't buy soap. I commission it. And my cereal? Only if it's alphabetized.
Ooh, that's not Evian, it's Tap.
I'm too fancy for my pansy. I bathe in milk. Go ahead, judge me. Got a masseuse just for my thumb. Even my naps have a string quartet strum.
Welcome one. Welcome all to the Slug Hub. funny kind of roar. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Slide into the slug hub, hear the welcome song. Gaming and a chatting, ranting all stream long. At the slug hub party, right where we belong. Ooh, see the sluggy scramble cooking as he spins. Horror space survival's played until he wins. Watching, lurking, chatting, slimy, whimy rants. Loves the games we're playing, DBD. Ooh, ooh. Don't you hear the headsets howl?
Hey everybody, we're back. We are back. This is going to be a short stream as I test a couple of maps with my mods. Yeah. So we're going to test. Oh, you're muted. Also, music. I tried to turn the music down. I don't know. All right. So here we go. Let's test this out, shall we? So we're going to put the bots on hard. We're going to make this a goddamn 60 bots. We got a shit ton of mods. Hey, back on.
Gear up. We've got a pollution village that ran out
Look
of
at those
second chances
mods.
about
Oh
3
my
evac
god, look
runs
at all the
ago.
mods.
Civvies are out. Medical supplies they're hiding are not. The SEPs are coming for them. We need those supplies. So you start shooting and don't stop until that dreadnought's out of my sight.
All right.
Now move. Standard development, boys. Secure those positions and get ready to board that ship.
Map is so big. Fucking crazy ass acid plants.
Our forces have captured command post Orange.
Oh god. I have a shotgun. God damn. I put random guns on. I don't know what I have. You know what?
Forces have started to capture command post Esk. We have secured command post Esk.
bastard. Jesus Christ, I hate this gun.
We're taking command post Dawn.
I wanted to add some spice so we have some random gun.
Hit the objective!
Ah!
Our forces have captured command post Crash.
A.
Attack the objective! Our forces are securing command post Auric.
Oh, they already got A.
Get on the objective!
Oh, wait. I'm stuck. There's no tank. Interesting. I think this mod removes the tank. All right, we got all the points. No thanks to me. Oh, wait, there it is.
We're dominating the battlefront.
What is that? Oh, make it shine. Thank you. I haven't heard that. Why isn't this working? Where's the E? You know what sucks? Color blindness on this map. I can't see shit. Thank you for making it shine.
We have lost command post Crash.
Oh, this is going to take forever.
We're securing command post Crash.
Naresha, thank you so much. If I'm pronouncing that right, thank you.
We're almost in control of the battlefront.
This is not what I'm going to get out of this.
I like the way this is going.
I like the way this is going.
Hit the objective.
Very irritating.
Capture command post Esk.
Oh, at least I get to see what these weapons are. Oh, fuck. Oh, thank God. Jesus Christ. That gun I did not like. Brave man. I don't know about that. All right. Oh, I don't have enough for Ahsoka. All right. They're capturing A. We'll go to the Sarlacc
Target
pit.
the objective. Our forces have taken control of command post Auric.
Oh.
Our forces are taking
What?
command post Esk.
Oh my God. Okay, everybody's on this side apparently.
Move on the objective.
shit, we lost. Oh my god. Wait a minute.
Clankers are lucky. Don't let them take any more command posts.
I can't see.
We are securing command post mesh.
Oh, that's a Gungan. Where's A? Where's A? I can't. Oh. Excuse me.
We
All right.
gained command post Auric.
That shotgun wasn't very detrimental, or that was very detrimental to my. You know what? Nighttime here, I can't see the goddamn droid. They blend in.
Our forces are capturing command post desk.
All right.
Our forces have taken control of command post desk.
D.
Keep it up. We are now in control of all command posts.
I didn't reload. Oh God.
We've started to capture command post door. Our forces have lost command post desk.
Oh my God. Look at his aim. I couldn't hit him right in front of me.
Here's Ahsoka.
He's over here. Oh. Hey.
Big or small, I'll take you down. Gotcha!
Ah. Saber swords? Yeah. Ahsoka from Clone Wars. Anakin's apprentice. Oh, hi. Oh.
I don't see what all the fuss is about.
We're in the lead, troop-wise. That's a Sarlacc pit. I didn't realize that before. These shooting games aren't my type. I like you better in Conan. Thank you. I was going to play Conan on Sunday. But I wasn't feeling too well. So I had to postpone that stream. I usually play Conan. I usually play Conan every Sunday. Oh. I gotta get out of here. Oh. Yeah, Sunday. I mean, I'll play it a lot, Conan, but Sunday is usually my Conan day. However, actually, before the update came out,
You gave me no choice.
All right, there we go. Now we got to get out of here. Before the update came out, I was playing Conan a lot. I also played Dead by Daylight a lot. There we go. Also played Dead by Daylight a lot too. And tomorrow is the new Chaos Shuffle starts tomorrow, so I'll probably be playing Dead by Daylight tomorrow. You're scared of zombies? Well, you know what? The only zombie I know in Dead by Daylight would be the 30-second extra Nemesis from Resident Evil. He's one of the killers in there. And he has zombies that walk around the map that help him out.
Mayhem and destruction on the Dreadnought.
All right. Oh, we're also testing copyright. I lowered the music as low as it would go. I like the music. I don't want to turn the music off. I don't want to turn the music off.
You need to track down those targets and hit them with everything.
However, every time I stream this, I get a copyright. So, oh, you know what? I'll stick with Ahsoka. Fuck it.
Ahsoka is back for more.
So I lowered the music as low as it would go to see if it'll get hit by copyright. Look at all the mods. The smoke, those smoke trails are mods I added.
I'll take it. Like my lightsabers?
Capturing point B here. Oh, hi.
It didn't have to go this way.
Look at all the smoke trails. I added extra sparks. Look at it. It's glorious. Oh, hi. Forgot how to do... Oh, there we go.
Made me mad.
All right, here we go. Hi.
I don't see what all the fuss is about.
Fucking Disney Star Wars. Thank God this doesn't have Disney Star... Well, thank God I don't want to play Disney Star Wars. All right, this is where Ahsoka dies.
Let's get back to the fight.
Oh, God, look at this nonsense. Hi.
I see you.
Oh, hi. This is a mod. That droid was a mod. Hi. Oh, I can beat it up. Okay, I wasn't sure if I could beat this up. The clones are dealing with the droid. Oh, I see. That's my stamina. Okay. I was wondering why I couldn't hit. Ahsoka is a mod. Oh, hi. Oh, Ahsoka died. That guy that killed me is a mod. So many mods. All right. We'll do heavy. Look at all the sparks. Those are all mods. So far, no crashes. That's cool. You think you like this shooting game? Well, do you like Star Wars? This is Star Wars. This has a single player campaign. This is even though this is multiplayer. Oh, look at this asshole. All right, we're gonna go around the side. We got 5 minutes to destroy the reactor. Oh God.
Point grenade. Covering fire, go. Keep shooting. We're damaging it.
Yeah. All right. We got 2 more. They got a droid deck, huh? You never seen Star Wars? Oh my God. This is, oh my God. Uh-oh, I'm dead. Star Wars is amazing. Except for the Disney Star Wars. You can forget about that shit. Old Star Wars. And some current. But, yeah. This takes place, in the prequel era. In the, time of the Galactic Republic. Before the Dark Times.
I've got you.
I have 23 health. I died.
Push.
All you have to do is watch the movies. And if you want to watch the movies, I can give you the correct viewing order. It's not what you would think. So the movies are... Oh, God damn it. The movies are in order. I'm not going to get into the details. It's too long of a story. But the movies are told in episodic format. You know, episode 1, episode 2, etc. Up to episode 9. The Disney crap starts at episode 7. That shit sucks ass. The movies end officially, in my book, end at episode 6. Hold on. I gotta clean house here. So, if you're going to watch the movie, and that's all you gotta watch, and then after you watch the movies, the world, there's a whole bunch of,
Kind of precision you only get from
we
a
did it!
clone.
Ah! Right away! Galactic Republic. So yeah, this is,
I guess the Clankers will have to send us a bigger one next time.
so the movies, to watch, the order would be episode 4, episode 5. It just bothers me too many people. Oh, yeah, this is just this game. There's a single player storyline you can play in this game, and during sales, this game goes down to like under $10. It's I wouldn't play this online, to be honest. I would not play this game online because with the one on Steam, because there's a bunch of hackers. And this is from Electronic Arts, and Electronic Arts doesn't give a shit about the game anymore. They stopped supporting it 3 years after they released it. It was released in 2017. They stopped supporting it 3 years after many complaints from the fans about how broken the game was. So it's still playable. You can still play it online, and the single player is fully playable. The single player is okay. The storyline is meh. I mean, but the storyline takes place after episode 6, so you wouldn't want to play this game without watching the movies. And then it leads into the sequels, episode 7, 8, and 9, which suck, so don't even watch them. It's a waste of your time, in my opinion. So here's the order you would watch them in: 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6. So you watch episode 4 and episode 5 first, and then it's like a flashback, because episodes 1, 2, and 3 happen like 50, 40 years in the past. So it's sort of like you're going back for a flashback, like in a TV series or a movie. So you want to go 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, and then don't watch the other ones. I even saved the time. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6. Yep, that's perfect. Yeah. Don't look up spoilers. Just go in and watch it. Now, 4 was made in. You're welcome. That's called the machete order, by the way. Like because you're hacking at the order. There's reasons you watch it in that order because of spoilers and revelations. If you wanted to, you could watch it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean, you could just watch it that way, but it makes more sense with the revelations and the mysteries in the storyline to watch it 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6. But if you're confused, just watch it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I'd say that is the better order. The other thing is there's a bunch of animated shows that are amazing. There's a handful of animated shows that suck. There's a couple live action shows they made for Disney Plus. Those are good to crap. Like they vary in quality. Not good to just okay. Like meh, whatever. But don't worry about them. Just watch the movies. But the animated show actually made episodes 1, 2, and 3 so much better. Like it actually what's the term? Deepened, expanded the motivations of the characters and all that. So the animated show is actually very good. Bettered them, yes. All right. So the mod seemed to be working, but let's see what happens. This is my mod thingy. Let's see if the mod works by changing maps now. All right. Here we go. I like the made up word. So yeah, this mod here that I'm using, it's a whole bunch of mods. I'm using like, I don't know, 30 mods. They fix it so that there aren't hackers, and you can have private servers where you can play with your friends, or you can open it up to the public. And there's an anti-cheat built in, something that EA, Electronic Arts, doesn't give a shit about anymore. So I installed these maps that are nighttime maps. So let's see. what happens here. And you go shower and study, keep an eye on your side. All right. Have a good night. Thank you for being here. And if you do watch Star Wars, please let me know.
Just what Kashyyyk needs. A bunch of
Oh, we're
noisy
on the
clankers moving into
Wookiee
the
planet
neighborhood.
at nighttime.
I
was
suppose we should
afraid
go
this
meet
map
neighbors
wouldn't
and
work.
help keep our
There's still
separatist
no.
friends
Oh, it
here
is working.
out
It's
of their
night.
yard.
Have a good night. Enjoy your studies. Okay, it's going to be hard to see them at night.
Take those areas. Get ready to board that ship. We're gonna take it down.
I can hear the Phantom Menace music in the background. Hopefully, it won't get copyrighted. Don't say too hard. Take a break and eat some good food.
We've captured Command Post Auric.
I added a realistic blaster mod that adds smoke trails to certain weapons.
We've gained Command
And I
Post
added
Auric.
more explosion. Oh, look at this gun. Jeez, that the spread is really bad. Ah. Oh, I'm dead. I do have a healing ability.
We're taking control of Command Post Crash.
Oh my god, this doesn't oh my god. I fucking reload.
We have secure Command Post Crash.
Oh, I'm dead. Okay, that gun was oh. That gun was interesting. I love the random gun. Because I get to try guns I don't normally Oh yeah, they added a blaster oh well shit. He added blaster flares and rah! Roger, roger.
Roger, roger.
I'm loving that the mods are all working. Ah!
Up and firing.
Die already! Jesus Christ.
We're taking Command Post Besh. Taking control of Command Post Besh.
I'm going to D. D for Bob. D for Bob. D for Bob. Ah! Oh, the sparks. Oh God, help! So, I didn't notice my health until the last second. Guess what we're going to be? We're going to be a little walker. This is my favorite.
Our forces are capturing Command Post Orange. Our forces have lost control of Command Post Dawn. Hit the objective!
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Loser.
I see you gentlemen have done this before. We've taken control of Command Post S.
What the hell was that? Ow.
Started to capture Command Post Besh. Our forces have captured Command Post Besh.
They have, oh God, they're ahead of troops.
Our forces have started to capture Command Post Crash. This area is almost secure. Keep it up.
My guns are overheating. Ow, 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 ow. Ow!
Forces are securing Command Post S. Our forces have lost Command Post Dawn.
They're about to lose me. I'm about to die. Oh, hi. What the hell? He's using a dagger on me.
Capture of Command Post Dawn
Oh,
underway.
shit.
We're almost in control. the battlefront.
Ow, 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 ow. Whatever. Oh, that thing sucks. Whatever that is. Oh my god.
We're dominating the battlefront.
Whatever that is over there. Oh, it's right there. I don't know what that thing was. Charge!
You sure have a thing for capturing command posts.
Ah! Ow, 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 ow. Whatever is over there is hitting me. Ow, ow. Oh god, it's this thing. Get away from me. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm jumping out. I'm stuck on the scenery. Oh, I couldn't even see. Yeah, these nighttime maps are very beneficial. Oh, we're down to 21. Oh, nice. Very favorable to the droids. One left. All right. Well, okay. We did commit. Here they come. There we go. Doesn't it look great at night? It looks freaking amazing at night. Look at all the smoke trails. Yes. I can't move the camera. It's funny. They just beat up on the transport, you know. Whee!
I knew you had it in you. Next stop, mayhem and destruction.
My
Your
eyes!
boots hit the deck. You need to track down those targets and hit them with everything you've got.
So will this be dark too? I don't know. I'll stick with Ahsoka. Why not?
You can count on me. my best. You gave me no choice.
Ow, my back. Droid that guy.
You need to get lost. Like my lightsabers?
Oh, I can't destroy those.
It didn't have to go this way.
You can't destroy it. There we go. Oh, yeah, I gotta remember I have stamina. I like how they're also on different sides of reactors. That's kind of cool. Over here.
We can't let him get away.
Ah! I'm a dope. I just ran in. Nah. Let me try somebody different. Who do we got? We got Commander Rex. Ow. I don't like that you can't spawn on top of your... Oh, hi.
Initiating attack on the target.
Okay, I shouldn't have picked Rex for this. What's the F do? Guys, you gotta pick a heavy for this. Oh, I wasn't even paying attention to the reload.
Keep shooting.
There we
We're
go.
damaging it.
Oh my god, look at those explosions. They look amazing. Oh, ah. Oh, I wasn't paying attention. Ah! Ow! Oh.
Our forces have disabled the target.
Yeah!
This place up like it's been bad-mouthed.
We're all dead. We're in the reactor room when it blows. My eyes!
I guess the Clankers will have to send us a bigger one next time.
All right. So that worked. See, I think some of the night maps don't work in multiplayer. So that's what we're really testing right now. Well, we're testing to see if everything's compatible. None of this matters because it doesn't save anything. None of this matters for anything. All right. So, okay. I'm leaving the bots on hard. 29, 30. Geonosis at night. Okay. I think we have Geonosis, and then the last map I want to test is Camino. And then that should be it. And that'll be it for the Stram. I'm just so excited that I can play all the other modes now without having to worry about hackers. Stupid EA couldn't even fucking fix the game.
All
right, so this is at night too.
All cozy on Geonosis again. We identified some weak points on that Separatist cruiser. And if there's one thing we love, it's weak points. Hit the up, you know the drill.
It's the high ground.
Those areas. Get ready to board that ship.
It does say the high ground.
Down.
I hear the music in the background is from Phantom Menace. I don't care what anyone says. I like Phantom Menace.
Forces of Moss command post S.
Oh, look at this gun. What is this? Oh, shit. Oh, they came from behind. Dun, dun, dun. Death Star attack. Where are we?
Target the objective.
Doesn't it look great at night? Oh my god. Oh. Fucking. I keep forgetting I have different guns every time.
Taking control of command post crash.
I. C? Oh, we got C. I lost my bearing.
Hit the objective.
Oh, it's this gun again. No.
Our forces have lost control of command post Crash.
Ow.
Starting assault.
I can't see. Ow. George Rage. Oh. Oh, wait. You know what? I love the... There we go. All right, I can't change. I never changed the gun. Fuck. The random gun. They fly now?
Closing range. Starting kill switch. Grenade out.
Ow.
Can't let the clankers take any more positions.
No shit. Ow! What? Do. Oh shit, I don't have enough points. Fuck.
Move in. Secure the zone.
That Gunging is just standing there. Geyser.
Attack the objective.
You know what? This one.
Hit the
Ow!
objective. Started to
That's
capture
my
command
fault.
post desk. We're almost in control of the battlefront.
Stop walking in front of me when I'm shooting.
I like the way this is going. Target the objective.
Roger, oh, hi. Oh, the geysers are going off. That's cool.
We're securing command post Crash. Our forces have taken control of command post Crash.
We got all of them.
Keep it up. We are now in control of all command posts.
Ow. One's over here.
back. You've captured all the command posts you need right now. I've sent a transport down to pick you up. This is your window to take that ship out. Excellent. The LAAT is touching down now. Hotel it over there. Get to the LAAT.
I'm trying. Gong. Gong. Go. Oh.
The LAATs will leave soon. Get on them.
See, there's a droid right there. There's two droids. They should be like shooting at the ship. Whee!
I knew you had it in you. Next stop, mayhem and destruction on the Dreadnought.
Wah, wah. I keep thinking that's my actual alarm.
Second your boots hit the deck, you need to track down those targets and hit them with everything you've got.
All right. I'm gonna stick.
Guess who?
Look at the rays being traced.
I've got something for you. Like my lightsabers?
Oh my god. I just ran in there. Oh, looks like the textures are off. Ah. We'll stick with assault. Yeah, it looks like the textures are off for some reason. Maybe because it's the night mode.
Get all the objectives.
Oh, what is this gun?
Our forces are taking control of the objective.
Oh, hi. Oh, yeah. It is the night mode.
Steady now. You're close.
I wasn't even paying attention to the reload. Oh. There we go.
Our forces have taken control of the objective. Secured
Yes.
our first batch of objectives. Get ready for phase 2, boys. Reach the final objective, boys. Destroy it, and we can get out of here.
Alright, the interior doesn't look great in night mode. Oh, it's really dark. But that's okay. Oh my god, you can't see shit over here. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's funny.
Initiating attack on the target.
I gotta die in order to... so I can get a better gun. This gun's loud. I fucked up the reload. I wasn't paying attention. I'm gonna lower the by 1 decibel. Yo, my crew. You gonna shoot the thing or what? I guess they are shooting it. Here, eat this. Someone's locking on. Oh my god. This gun has... The range sucks. Ow, 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 ow.
Starting assault! Follow behind me! Keep shooting. We're damaging it.
No one's fighting at the point. That's funny. Here, eat that.
Second vanguard, follow me!
I'm getting shot. Oh. Ah!
Almost there. Keep shooting at the final target.
I can't see. Oh shit. I wasn't paying attention.
We've destroyed the target.
Oh, we did it.
Ha!
Run away.
Shooting this place up like it's been bad-mouthing you.
Ow, ow.
Just like the simulation.
All right, we have one more map, and that is Camino at night. All right. You know what? Oh, the clone trooper. He only. I mean, they only use the specific gun. Okay, I'm a dope. It's the 4. The 4 have random guns, right? Yeah, yeah, I'm a dope. Oh shit. All right, they all have random. All right, so. Let's see. I've been putting the bots on. I think they were on hard before, but if not, they are now. 60 players. There's a fireworks card that they added here. Not sure if I should replace my healing with that. You know what? With the nighttime map and the dark quarters on the ships, I wonder if the flashlight attachments will be good. Because there are flashlight attachments. See how low the music is? I'm wondering if the copyright will pick this up. It's at the lowest it'll go. We'll find out. I think I'm missing a bunch of Pokemon that I need.
Home sweet home, boys.
Oh.
And it's up to us to keep it that way. All right. Time to show those clankers Camino's not big on uninvited guests.
Now, this map is already dark on the outside.
Rally up, troops. One guess who gets to kick those metal screwheads back into orbit. Standard development, boys. Secure those positions and get ready to board that
Ow.
ship.
I'll follow everyone. This is Phantom Menace music again.
Our forces have lost command post Dawn.
All right.
Hit the objective!
Ow.
Our forces are taking command post Auric.
That's friendly. Holy fuck.
We've captured command post Crash.
The Jedi Archive. Ooh. Oh wait, we're not in not on Coruscant. Never mind.
Securing command post S. This area is almost secure. Keep it up.
What's hitting me? I fucked up the reload. I knew I was dead. I'm gonna try the jet trooper. They fly now. What the hell?
We're taking control of command post Dawn.
I died. So here ends the brave clone trooper. Oh, I should try Padme. Oh god, we're all the way back to the beginning.
Republic forces now control the battlefront.
Battlefront. They said the name. End credits.
We have lost command post Crash. Target the objective.
Wait, can I go down here?
We're securing command post Crash. We're almost in control of the battlefront.
Can't go that way.
I see you gentlemen have done this before.
Who are we shooting at? Ow. Oh, I wasn't paying attention to the reload. Ow!
Our forces have lost command post S.
Gungan. Oh. Oh, hi.
Right, sweet. I've got boy taking control of command post S.
Thank you, Gungan warrior. Ah! Ah! Let's try Padme.
Well, there goes that plan.
Ow! Oh, R2. All right, this is not where I wanted R2. Oh. With my force feedback mouse, this feels great. Ah! Oh, R2! Oh, ow, 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 ow. Droid deck, huh? Oh no! Oh! This. Oh, he's beat me up! Oh no! Anakin's gonna be so angry.
Hit the objective.
Good game? Yes.
Our forces are securing
Well,
command post S.
the mods are good. The mods make it like Battlefront 3. Ow, ow, ow. Stop jumping in front of me.
We started to capture command post desk. We've taken command post desk.
Follow me.
Follow behind me. That's the last one. Now hop to it. We're sending a ride to shuttle you up to the dreadnought.
Gotta get out of here.
Ha! Civvies are in trouble now.
Oh, right here.
Quick, rendezvous with our transport. Your day is just getting started.
Whee! Oh,
Get to the LAAT.
ooh. How do I say that? Graxy? I'm testing some mods. I appreciate the offer. I'm just testing some mods that I put on to make sure they work in multiplayer. This is the last map I'm testing. I'm testing these night maps because I see that some of them might not work in multiplayer. They seem to be working. This is the last map I was testing. And then I'm going to end the stream. That's it. I'm re-downloading. Make sure, Ruff, make sure to download the Kyber mod. Kyber, K-Y-B-E-R.
Next stop, mayhem and destruction on the dreadnought.
Do I have enough points for Ahsoka? So far, no crashes.
Second your boots
All
hit
the mods I have
track
on
down
seem
the
to be
starting
compatible,
point
so I'm
with
really happy
everything
about
you've
that.
got.
Really happy. Oh, I do.
Here's Ahsoka.
And then I'll switch to the heavy once she dies. Yeah, okay. See, the textures look good here. On that night map, though, the textures here look horrible.
We've got trouble. It did.
Oh my god. I suck. I don't know how to deal with these guys. That guy's a mod. Alright. We do heavy and then... Oh, it's this thing again. Ah! Get away from me. You killed Ahsoka. I forgot to reload. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. All right, I'm just going in with the heavy. Oh, wait. Let's go when they fly now. I don't have enough points. All right, we'll go with the heavy. Having random weapons when you load is a funny mod. Oh, wait. Oh, I like this gun.
We're taking control of the objective.
As I die. We still,
Hit the objective. Grenade out. We're securing the objective.
One of the mods I have on adds more sparks and explosions. Take that.
Make good time down there.
We're not making good time. Oh, wait, we did it. Another mod adds these smoke trails to shotguns and missiles.
We've secured our first batch of objectives. Get ready for phase 2, boys. Reach the final objective, boys. Destroy it, and we can get out of here.
I do like the fact that it's on, sometimes the reactors are on the left or right. Oh my goodness.
We're taking out the target.
I forgot to reload.
Follow me, hot back! Grenade, make way!
I need the heavy for this. You know what I noticed though? The bots are not, the enemy are not picking the heroes.
Putting the hurt on the ship. Keep
I
it
wonder
up.
why. I thought they were picking the heroes. What is that? It's a mouse droid? Ah, alright, good. God damn it, whenever they go into a combat. Oh, I gotta see Padme has different outfits. I didn't check on that. I'm using her Attack of the Clones outfit. We got 4 minutes. Oh my god, what the fuck is this gun? Oh my god, well that's a waste. Random gun. Here, eat that. What is this? Oh my god, this gun.
Almost there. Last push.
Oh my god. It'd be funny if I was injuring my guys friendly fire. What if I just stand over here? And they wouldn't be able to get me. Look at all the clone troopers just hanging out there.
Fire ready. We've taken out the target.
And then it blows up, and then we all
Precision you
die.
only get from a clone.
We all die in here. Yeah, okay. It works great. So, no issues with the mods, except for that one map. This here's a little foggy, the colors, but that's okay. It's just a cutscene. And the Geonosis droid ship was a little wonky with the colors and the texture. But other than that, the mods work great. I spent all day testing them. So this is downloading. All right, these don't matter. Yes, I wish to quit. Oh my goodness. All right. Shit. What else am I missing here? Oh, the star cards. Oh my god, I didn't open them up. Yoda. Huh. Now we'll stick with that. Yeah. Ahsoka. We'll go with the siege. Oh, they gave her blue lightsabers that Anakin gave her. That's cool. Padme we looked at. Rex. They gave him 13. Holy moly. for the dev. Dun, 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 dun. This is his girlfriend. Oh, this is Empire Strikes Back. I was trying to figure out where this sound, this song, this score was from. This is Empire Strikes Back. On. Dun, 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 dun. Mud Trooper. Ugh. How come they don't have his outfit when? Oh, here it is. I'm sorry. Bow, 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 bow. From Husband. Chewbacca has said. Uh. Oh my God! They have the Star Wars holiday special. Oh my goodness. Lando. Bum, 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 bum. Take his Bespin outfit. Bum, 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 bum. Din Djarin. You nothing. All right. Uh. 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 Oh my goodness. I don't care. I don't care. Oh, Finn. Ew. Ew. Don't care. BB-8. Ew. He doesn't have anything. This stupid chick. Nothing. I don't think this guy. Oh. This is This is Empire Strikes Back. The score. This is when he fought Obi-Wan. This is the end of Empire Strikes Back. Exquisite pajamas. Yes, from the Clone War. Grievous. Ventress. What's the difference? I don't see a difference. Django. Oh, he does have appearance. I don't see a difference. Vader. He only has two. Oh God, you can see his face. I don't know who this is. I don't know who this one is. Oh wow, this is the prototype when they were filming the movie. They had it all white without any paint on it. That's funny. We'll go with that. Boss. City single player. He's in I realized he's in The Flash. He's what chick's Barry's Barry's fiance's father. Hmm. Different skins, different skins. All right, there we go. All right, everyone. Thanks for being here. Thanks for checking out the test. Let's get out of here. I'm gonna eat dinner. Y'all have a great night, and I should see you tomorrow for some a DVD.
Good evening, citizens
Good
of
night.
Slug Hub. Remember, a clean slime is a happy slime.
Wipe that slug look off your slimy face. Keep your goo in its proper